I think we need more present distribution. Wow, fancy towels. You want to wear one?
This one's big.
It's just the right size for a cake.
Do you help wash dishes, Andre?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Are you the dryer?
Here, wait, we'll put this in the back, and then you can have a cake. Ready?
There's two for Andre.
No, it's for you.
It's the dish man.
It's Christmas boy!
Super, Andre!
Super dish boy. It's towel top.
Towel top.
It's towel top. Go show your Uncle Richard. It's super towel top. No way. Super towel. I never thought of that. That's brilliant.
He makes dishes